Welcome to the how-to section of the LPA. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make first-line checks on your broadband service. As you can see, we have power lights to all our different types of routers, so they're plugged in. The second thing to check is the broadband light. If the broadband cable has been unplugged or the broadband circuit isn't in service, you will see a flashing broadband symbol. On the Draytech 2762 here, on the Technicolor, we have no broadband light on. On the old OpenReach unit, there's no DSL light. Same on the Technicolor, there's no broadband light. If we discover that we don't have broadband light on, then we need to make other checks. Firstly, do we have a correct broadband lead plugged into the DSL socket on the back of the unit? Make sure the lead is inserted correctly, and if it is, then follow the lead back to the socket and make sure it's firmly inserted into the broadband splitter filter. And again, that is securely into the socket on the wall. Sockets come in a number of varieties. This is an old style one. But this is the more modern unit here, in which case we take that out and into the RJ11 section on here. Make sure that is firmly inserted. After checking all cabling, it may be necessary, if broadband is still not on, to take the front of the socket off. Now, on this particular model, it just pulls apart by pressing firmly on the side. On older models, where we'd have this sort of arrangement, we'd ask you to take that off and then plug this directly into the front, bypassing the filtering unit here. At this point, when we insert into the back of the socket, if the broadband light then comes on and goes to a solid colour, we can ascertain that it is the front of the socket which is indeed faulty, and then we can relay that information back to your network supplier. At any time during these tests, if broadband light goes solid but internet is still lost, it may be necessary to reboot the router to restore service.